Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making red beans and rice. You will need 1 pound of kidney beans, 1 13-ounce package of andouille sausage, 4 slices of salt pork, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, 6 cups of water, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt for seasoning, 1 tablespoon of salt for brining, and cooked rice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl of water, then add your beans. Allow your beans to soak overnight or at least 8 hours. After your beans have soaked, remove the water, then set them aside until later. Using medium heat, bring a Dutch oven or a large pot to temperature. Now cook the salt pork for 5 minutes or until it is golden brown. Melt your butter, then saute the celery, bell pepper, and onion. Allow your vegetables to cook until they are just translucent. Now add the garlic, then season with the thyme, Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the beans to the pot, then cover with the water and chicken broth. Add your bay leaves and bring to a light simmer. Now cover and allow it to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, uncover, then add your andouille sausage. Cover and continue to cook for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the top and allow it to simmer uncovered until your liquid has reduced by 1/3. After it has reduced, remove the bay leaves, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps.